Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anjana Sinha, and today in this video I'm going to discuss about a very important topic in developmental psychology, and that is old age. People enter into old age when they are nearing the end of their lives. Despite their desire to live a long life, the changes that occur during this age are unavoidable, unpleasant, undesired, and trouble filled to the people. Changes in physiological, cognitive, and personality characteristics occur just as they did earlier in life. The aging process is a natural component of life. It is called the evening of life. Old age is not a specific biological age because it fluctuates culturally and historically. In this period, assistance is needed in maintenance of social contacts. There may be many health problems, and some may become institutionalized or may lead a very sheltered life. Health problems are more severe and serious with very limited activity in this period. Let's talk about biological changes and its challenges. It includes changes in sensory motor performance, muscle strength, brittleness of skeletal structure, visual acuity, and decreased reaction time and balance. These are examples of biological aging which may influence attitude and behavior. If we talk about the psychological aging and its adjustment, this consists of a general decline in mental abilities that accompany old age. As we age, many of our cognitive abilities starts to decline. These include impairment to short-term working memory, processing speed, retrieval of memories, information, attention, and problem solving. Now, if we focus on sociological aging and its challenges, it refers to changes in social role, like loss of spouse, vulnerability to disease, compulsory or voluntary retirement, loss of income, and loss of status. In terms of psychosocial aging and its challenges, it refers to systematic changes in personality needs, expectations, and behavior, as well as changes in roles and changes in relation to others. Now, let's focus on specific psychological problems faced by old people. Feeling of inadequacy, lack sense of belonging and acceptance, economic insecurity, changing social attitudes, feeling of loneliness, uncertainty, restlessness, feeling tired and depressed, high on anxiety, low self esteem, and worthlessness. Now, if we talk about the adjustment in old age, some of the adjustment people have to make as they move into old age. That includes health adjustment. One of the threat to the elderly is prolonged illness. The aging body is highly vulnerable to ravaging diseases and injury. The psychological stressors of old age can also provoke psychological disorders. Adjustment to retirement. Retirement is a separation from a sphere of activity that has provided spatial social order, economic remuneration, personal identity, and prestige for many years. The abrupt termination of one's livelihood may be a great threat to the old people. A welcome relief to some from tedious, thankless job or a natural conclusion of one's successful career. It may provide more time for someone to pursue their dreams and pleasurable activities. Now we'll talk about coping with problems faced during old age. Different people adopt different coping strategy to meet their life challenges. Let's focus on some of the effective coping strategies. The elderly need to develop an attitude or flexibility so that they may adapt to life's pressure and problems of the old age. They need to recognize that they have to explore new ways of coping with their life events. The elderly need to make great use of information seeking and of problem solving rather than withdrawing or isolation. They need to enhance their self-confidence, self-reliance, develop healthy attitude about their strengths and weaknesses, as well as learning and maintaining effective coping skills. Participate in various group activities such as joining clubs and certain organizations for informal social interaction is very helpful for the aged. Involvement in grandparenting helps an elderly satisfy many of their personal and emotional needs. However, if a person views these changes favorably and views aging as a good factor, age doesn't become a problem, even if the body becomes less supportive. It is their optimistic attitude that will provide them with the energy to live a happy life despite their difficulties. Problems arises in every stage of life, and we must confront them in order to make healthy adjustment through the stages of life.